Happy Monday, pero hindi masyadong happy kasi today meron tayong tatanggalin. Not giving. Happy Monday guys, we're on our way to the office and grabe, napakainit, parang lechon, ganon. But anyway, it's gonna be a long day. I'm gonna work up to like 3 a.m. today because panggabi tayo. Pero meron tayong mga kailangang tapusin at alagaan ngayong hapon na to. No? Actually, parang pa lang, 11-ish in the morning. And after go to the head office and then pupunta ulit ako ng mga branch later. And then I'm gonna meet up with a friend and then I am going to work for my evening shift. So, sasamahan niyo ako ngayong hectic na Monday day at malapit na ako sa office and I'll get back to everyone. Ramen Ron! Ay, kita dake bas. Pak! Pak! Ganda ganda ka te.
Ganda.
Ganda ka te. Sarap! So, we are now in Single Origin sa tabi lang to ng Ramen Ron, yung restaurant where I worked yesterday, kung saan kami nag-meeting at nag-lunch kanina. And before that, sabi ko nasa office ako. Pero kasi, hindi ako nakapag-film sa office kasi, ba't ako mag-film sa office? Diba? So, yan. So, we're waiting. Darating si Sans. And we're gonna work. And after that, I don't know, maybe have dinner somewhere else. And then, basta ang haba ng araw ko pongala. May pangalawang shift pa ako. Baka pag-uwi ko matulog pa ang konti. Pero, I don't know mga mi. Basta, let's go, glow, grow. Ganon. Happy Monday, bakla. Oh. So, si bakla, may regalo sa akin for my birthday. So, ano yung regalo niya sa akin? Charis. So, meron ako mga Osmo Pocket 3 stuff. Like, accessories. So, I have lagayan. Well, if you buy the creator combo, may kasama siya lagayan. But, it's super huge. So, she bought me. Hala, hindi ko deserve me. It's the unboxing of the regalo. Thank you so much, Coach Sans. Ayan. Ay, sinong mama mo? May lagayan ng may lagayan ng Osmo Pocket 3. Dito lahat sa compartment ang mga Kembular. Yan. So, that's one down. And then, we have the Magnet Sheena. So, saktong-sakto kasi ang kasama ko, di ba I mentioned yesterday may travel tayo ng marami. So, kasama ko si Coach Chan sa August 3 to 24. That's 1 week Cebu, 2 weeks Siargao. So, may mga accessories na kami. We accessories ourselves. Ayan. Ay, bakla. Ito yung day, di ba? Ito yung protective case day ng ating Osmo Pocket 3. So, syempre, hindi ko makita kasi Osmo Pocket ginagamit ko ngayon pang Kembular. So, ito kasi yung kasamang protective case si Osmo Pocket 3. Pero meron din palang ganito. So, we will try it out. And then, I also have... What's this, Coach Chance? This is the lens protective case. Ay, parang protective day. Ang dami nga day. The protective lens enamelar protector, screen protector day. Giving. And lastly, we have the magnet. Ito talaga gusto ko, kaya thank you for giving this to me. So this one is a magnet. We magnet ourselves. So the magnet is magneting. Kaso hindi ko mabuksan, day. Uy! Open ko na, day. Ito yung magnet. Ito yung magnet. Oo. Tapos, you open it like this. Ipapasok mo si Osmo Pocket 3. Pack! And then you magnet yourself. You magnetize the magnet. Saan ba may ano? Basta ito yung magnet eh. So you can like put it sa wall na stainless steel, and then you can TikTok yourself or you vlog yourself. So yeah. Thank you, Coach Chance. Yan. Wala kayo neto, ako lang.
Ano pa to? Wala pa dyan din yung ads.
Grabe, ganun na lang 7 p.m. na inabot na kami ng gabi dito. Like, we've been working a lot and I feel like we're gonna stay here longer. Kasi, hindi mo naman, sobrang all set na kami sa ano. Nakasettle na kami ngayon dito. Bonggang-bongga work. Ang dami namin natapos, me promise. I like this place, Single Origin. This is not sponsored kasi maliwalas, may plug, and oh my gosh, bongga. Ang sarap pag-work dito, very comfortable. So, if you guys are in Rockwell, you guys can go and work here. So, may plug kami dito. You like it? Ganon. Plus, yung cold brew daw, bongga, right?
Nakaka-maximize ng productivity, guys.
Arte nga, te. Yun na nga, mi. Yun na nga siya. This is my dinner. This is brown rice with corn, with salsa. Is this salsa? Mango salsa. And then fish. So, fish with gata. Gata yourself. Ganyan. This is mainit. Ay, okay lang pala.
May ano siya.
Gata.
Ano, dadahon.
Thai basil. That's actually good. Grabe, 10:52 na at kakauwi ko lang, no. Dito ko na itutuloy yung ibang work ko. At saka mamaya kasing 2 AM may meeting ako, mga mi. So, mga gantong oras ko, ano na ako, client works na ako for my VA side. Tawag dito, actually nasimula ako na mga 6:30 PM. Nagtrabaho na ako for my VA clients. Hindi lang ako nakaalis right away doon sa coffee shop sa Single Origin kasi nasa zone na ako mag-work, at pag nasa zone na ako mag-work, pag umalis pa ako doon, mawawala siya. So, tuloy-tuloy na. Naabutan pa kami ng ulan, ng sobrang lakas. Kaya yon, umalis kami doon mga like 10:15. Gano'n ng gabi. Tapos, doon na rin kami nag-dinner. Gano'n. Yeah, tuloy-tuloy lang. On the next few days, gusto kong gumawa ng Q&A vlog, yung answering your questions. So, what I want to do sana is i-collate o i-kompletuhin or ipunin pala ang mga questions nyo about freelancing or virtual assistants. So, i-comment nyo dito sa baba kung ano yung mga questions nyo, and then pipili ako ng mga sasagutin kong questions sa next na vlog na yon. Alright, so kung may questions ka about this, freelance life or world, then go ahead and drop the comments dito sa comment section. Then, sasagutin ko sa video. So, pag Mondays, meron akong meetings every 12:30 with the CEO of Coconut VA, and then 1 o'clock with the internal team of Coconut VA. So, usually talaga, ito yung mga araw, nagsistay up late ako. But usually, nagsistart ako maaga para mas maaga ako makatulog. I'm trying to fix my body clock since I realize flexi naman ako sa lahat. And I'm a remote worker. I can work anywhere I want. So, I really want to fix my, body clock. Kasi I want like a normal body clock once again. So, yeah. Mondays lang ako late matutulog. And then, pagdating ng Tuesday onwards, I want like a normal body clock. Hindi na pang zombie, mga mi. So, alam niyo mga mi, ang buhay ko, no? Sobrang hindi ito normal na like freelance job. I have multiple clients. Hindi lang yung digital part of my freelance business, but at the same time, meron din akong face-to-face, which is, you know, restaurant training and guest relations. But I'm very, very happy. It puts money, it puts food on our table. Because of that, nakakasupport ako sa pamilya ko. And it's good to be able to like do what you love, you know, do what you're passionate about. Kasi restaurant training or the hospitality industry is really my first love. Yun din talaga course ko. And dumating lang talaga sa buhay ko itong, you know, digital marketing na gig ko. So, as of now, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Bukas, sasamahan niyo ako. Doon naman tayo sa BGC branches natin. And I can't wait for all your questions para the next day yun ang ating content, mga mi. No? So, maraming salamat. I hope you guys are enjoying my daily vlog so far. Sana ay may natutunan ba kayo? No? And see you guys on the next vlog. Bye!